There it is, guys. So we got this on that Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. I'm a little embarrassed because all across my channel I was talking about I'm not getting the Z Fold 6, not getting the Z Fold 6. And I still kind of, it's not too crazy that I bought this because the thing about it was the deals is insane right now. They got insane deals for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. After you trade in the Z Fold 5 or whatever, 300 something dollars. I had to try it. You know what I'm saying? Excuse me. I still like if it was still the same price, I still felt the same way. But I just had the price point and it's just kind of the boring season in tech. I had to check it out. So let's just go ahead and unbox this thing. So as you can see, typical black box with the black embossed Z Fold 6. Can't show the bottom, that's personal information. But yeah, we definitely gonna go ahead and get this out. Now we don't have stickers, we got the little tearaways. So let's get those tore off. And let's just go ahead and see what's in the box. So we're just gonna remove the top. And we are blessed with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 in white. I hate how Samsung puts stickers on the device that just put your business out there. Don't they know a lot of YouTubers buy these devices and we don't want our IMEI numbers or whatever numbers that's on the box and on the device showing, but whatever. We got the white Z Fold 6. I actually copped this color. It wasn't my preferred color, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I ain't gonna be, I'm gonna keep it 100. That pink Z Fold 6 is fire. But for some reason, the exclusive colors were definitely on a hard sale. Like they was like $300 cheaper. So it was either get the white or get the like faux type carbon fiber. I wasn't feeling that. So I just went ahead and did this for y'all, for me, for, just something to check out, something to have a little fun with. So as you can see, we got white. And then it's kind of like the frame is like I guess a light color aluminum. And as you can see, light color aluminum around the camera bezel. Camera bezel looking. I'm not. I don't know how I feel about these camera sensors with like these already camera cover built type things over them. I like a classier camera sensor where it's just like you see a big sensor, like almost like it's some intense camera stuff going on. These black extra pieces around the camera kind of look a little cheesy to me. But that's here nor there. Let's see what else is going on. Set this to the side. There's nothing going on in the bottom of the box. So, of course, top of the box, you got the Type-C cable, S Pen remover, and you got the guide. I'm just going to keep that in there. I don't need none of this stuff right now. Just showing y'all in the top of the box, it's got a little bit of stuff. Now, shout out to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. I believe it's the FE or the SE. Bruh, why do they have a case and an adapter? Like, Samsung, why are you carrying the United States like this? If you got a Z Fold 6 over there, especially for, I believe it's China, I'm not sure what country it is, you got the case, you got the adapter, like, what the hell is this? But here she go, guys. I'm going to be honest, I'm going to be real with you. Even on, when I saw it in videos and things of that nature and I didn't see it in person, I didn't feel like this thing was too much bigger than the Z Fold 5. And in person, it looked even smaller and closer inside to the Z Fold 5. Not no ridiculous change. A lot of people's like, oh, they made it a little wider. It's perfect. I mean, at this point, we just being like petty. Like, when they make a real change, let's say they made a real change. It's not incredibly, like, so much wider than the Z Fold 5. Or this cover display is just so much bigger now. I got so much crazy room like the original Pixel Fold. This is not that. You know what I mean? It's a teeny bit wider, but I don't see, maybe when I start using it, but I'm not really feeling the difference. Like I said, camera bezel is it's just a little weird to me with these black pieces over there. Like, I just like the classic look. Like, you see how we got the Z Fold 5, and it's just got these big camera sensors and this glass, and it's got like a plastic look to it. Is that, like, which camera, like, just even off looks? I'm not talking about how good the camera is at taking pictures, just looks. Did this black look a little tacky to y'all, or am I the only one? Then we got the cover display, guys. Like, it's not much wide. It's like a millimeter or two. And this is what the frame is looking like, guys. Silver, aluminum, button press right there. You know, the cameras don't sit up too far off of the back of the device. But it's a clean look. The white and silver is definitely clean. I think it's a clean look. White always hit hard. These are the cutouts down bottom. You go ahead and check those out. So let's go ahead, get this off. Get the sticker on the front off. Okay, so I got the Z Fold 6 set up, guys. Well, partially almost set up, whatever. We'll get into that's a whole nother discussion. But as you can see, just comparing the displays and things of that nature. Now, I will say one thing I noticed off the break as far as Z Fold 6 go, it does feel slimmer. I know they slimmed out the hinge on the Z Fold 5, but this Z Fold 6 just actually, the feeling in your hand, it feels even more like compacted. It feels a little bit more like you just feeling all screen. The hinge is even smaller on this than it is on the Z Fold 5. And I thought they, did a really good job with the Z Fold 5. I do like the squared off look. And I was wrong about one thing. I do like the square, more boxy style. But for some reason, I didn't realize that these corners were rounded. So I was like, why would they do this with the Z Fold 6 and the S25 Ultra? They about to round the corners. So this does have like rounded corners, even though it's like more boxy and squared off. I will say the build does feel really nice. But as far as just being, this big difference as far as cover displays, that's what's not going on. Just a quick look at the inner displays where you're going to have all the fun. Like I said, on the outside cover display, I did notice a smaller bezel. But as you can see on the inside, Z Fold 5, especially for when it came out, was a master class on just inside display. But I will say that the crease is it's still there, but it looks a little flatter to me on the Z Fold 6. Definitely, just definitely a different look, maybe a different color, but I didn't really get this or purchase the Z Fold 6 because I just felt like that it was just that much better. It was just that much cheaper, and at the same time, if something come out later that I want, I know it's going to hold a high trade-in value, and it was easy to come across getting rid of the Z Fold 5. Now I'm just showing y'all what the inner displays look like with some content on them and how these black bars actually weigh in, and they're probably about equal. This is a true 16:9 on YouTube. You actually, honestly, this is one thing that I think, it looks like you actually get more screen real estate on 16:9 content on the Z Fold 5. And that's one thing about when you make a foldable, a true box, you get less screen real estate for watching content in its native orientation. But I mean, there's a lot of differences. We do have Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 in the Z Fold 5, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in the Z Fold 6. I probably will notice a lot more nitpicky differences to come, and I will let y'all know. This your boy BG Tech Life, man. Just follow me. This is just a part of my tech journey, man. I seen something on a crazy deal, man, and I had the opportunity, so I had to go ahead and check it out, man. But yeah, so we're gonna have some content coming for the Z Fold 6. It's your boy BG Tech Life. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. I'm out. Peace.